Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is your Tito, ready to teach you. Before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe at huwag din kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga bagong kong videos. Welcome to our very first unboxing video sponsored by Technoculture Philippines, your one-stop gadget store. For this one, we'll be unboxing the rockspace S22 Bluetooth speaker. First time ko makakasubok ng brand na ito. So based on my research, rockspace is a brand from Shenzhen, China, with products ranging from power banks, chargers, mobile accessories, audio, among others. They also have concept stores here in the Philippines located in SM Lipa, SM Valenzuela, and Marquee Mall in Angeles, Pampanga. They also have kiosks scattered through major cities or through major malls in the country. So please watch until the end of this video as we'll be announcing the lucky winner of this S22 speaker. Yung mechanics, na-announce na namin kahapon through our Facebook page. So don't expect na sealed pa siya pag dineliver sa inyo because basically bubuksan na natin ito. So what are we waiting for? So simulan na natin. Okay. So kung mapapansin nyo, fingerprint magnet po siya. It's like a jet black, no? Kung i-compare yung color niya na yung parang sa iPhone ng iPhone 7 series before na jet black. So fingerprint magnet siya. Pero it doesn't bother naman, no? Kasi check natin kung maganda yung audio quality niya rin. Okay, sa baba, there's a mode button. And then there's a play and pause button. Then yung forward and backwards button. For this product, wala po tayong volume rockers, no? So para rin siya yung anchor natin. I do have an anchor speaker which I bought 2 years back. Soundcore mini siya, so it's almost the same form factor. However, sa anchor may volume rocker siya, no? Up-down volume rockers and then play button. So sa rockspace wala siya. Okay. So yung control mo dito nandun lang sa cellphone mo. So let's open, let's try. Okay. Okay. So let's try to connect for all the device. So rockspace, so it should easily pair. Okay, so mabilis yung pairing niya. Okay, as you can see. So let's test yung audio quality. Okay, so let's try a non-copyright music kasi baka ma-hit tayo ni YouTube. So minimum volume pa lang siya. Medyo isagad natin ang konti. So ganun siya kalakas. So this is a nice and decent wireless speaker, no, that you can carry almost anywhere. However, yun nga, kung medyo choosy kayo or maarte kayo, fingerprint magnet siya. So as you can see, saglit ko pa lang siya hinahawakan, may fingerprints are all over the surface. Okay? So it supports media from micro SD as well. So may micro SD slot siya dito. And then sadly, micro SD pa rin, no? Yung micro USB pa rin yung gamit niya. And then there's a 3.5mm audio jack kung gusto mong wired yung connection mo. So other than that, there's nothing special dito sa Bluetooth speaker na to. But yes, no, this is very affordable because the price is 899 pesos only. So napaka-decent din yung price, very affordable, lalo na dun sa mga gusto pa lang or first time pa lang magka-try ng Bluetooth speakers na malakas at pwedeng gamitin anywhere. So actually it uses also Bluetooth 4.0, which is the latest one. Tignan natin yung box. Okay, so it says here that it supports Bluetooth 4.1. Okay, sorry, Bluetooth 4.1 siya, and then ang frequency range niya is 120 Hz to 20 kHz. Okay, rated power output is 3 watts, and then yung input niya is 5 volts, and then yung battery capacity is 500 milliamperes, which is good for 6 hours of music. Okay. So to announce our lucky winner is Jonathan, Florida. Okay, Jonathan, if you're watching right now, don't forget to comment down and we'll get in touch with you in the next 24 hours. So that's it. Please hit like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more unboxing videos. This is Unboxing with Tito.